Hello everyone, welcome back to Cotter's Canvas. Today we will reset WordPress website, so don't go anyway. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, we will log into our WordPress dashboard. After login, visit your site by clicking the name of your website at the top left corner of your WordPress. Now, as you see, we have a theme on our WordPress website. As there is a theme uploaded, so the plugins of this theme were also active at that time. We have to reset our WordPress website. You can do this easily without attempting any damage to your website. Just go to the plugins section and click Add New. Type the name of the plugin WP Reset, and as you see, the plugin is shown by WordPress. Click on that plugin and install it. It will take a moment. Now you have to active your plugin, so just click Active and your plugin starts. Your WP Reset plugin. Go to the Tools section, click WP Reset. Scroll your mouse below and in the text field type Reset. You can also have a snapshot to save the information of the website. And press Reset your website and it start resetting. Now go to visit your website. You can see that all the content and the theme is removed or reset. That's it. We have reset our WordPress website in just one click. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.